And it smells so nice.
Yeah, we about to have fun. You know summer just begun. Party all night until we see the sun. Call up the plug, roll the 3-5 in the blunt. Done, Julio, I can take.
I got these pegs for 1 shilling. I don't know why it has colors. Maybe like $1 shilling. 1 shilling per peg. Got like super. Some things at Magunas are cheaper than Naivas. I found that out today. But they don't have things like, if you want complicated things like specialized things like almond flour, you know, such things. I've stolen Vase avocado. How much you cards? Because you're supposed to. So this one was 15 shillings each. The avocado. This I didn't find at Magunas. This one I bought at Kangeni. So guys, I used Even and Lovely. Like me and my mom, like when I was in high school, I really had like a bad skin breakout. But it's very controversial because, can you guys see me? It's very controversial because the Even and Lovely is very controversial because let me put you guys up. And let me add more lighting. It's very controversial because it was allegedly used for bleaching when it was Fair and Lovely, but they have like that sign that there's no bleaching factor now. But I used it when it was suspected to bleach. It was the only thing working on my skin. So like it's a very effective shade. It's a very effective thing for skin products. I like paprika. It's really nice. I like mild spices. People were saying more pegs. I really maximize the 1 shilling thing. One was saying that Royco products do not they are very mild, and that's what I love about them. Amy, don't ruin my shot. Don't ruin my shot. I took chicken spices. Amy, start it. Get out of my shot. Do it. I want things done faster. I got ginger for 15 shillings, so I had to maximize, and this one for 15 shillings. There. Is it? More stuff. So I only use this for the toilets. I like that it is strong. The spice one, and then 2 jumbo. Jumbo toilet papers. Have the guy soap. So Val taught me that it is cheaper to use Star Soft refill, and you can use it. You can put it in like the soda bottles for 2 liters than buying the bottle one for 2 liters. So just first and then if there's a monkey, also this is for people who eat carbohydrates, for guests. So and then I don't know if I put more things away. Ariel. and then Vase, and then Quencha, then there are incense sticks, toilet sheet, toilet things. The rationale behind like some of these products are the cheapest in the aisle, the cheapest unga, the cheapest, you know, but some things that it's just like I use them, like Cortex, tampons, even a lovely Vase one. And then this one is cheapest there, Mama. What's this? It's wheat and unga for when I have guests who eat carbohydrates. That's it. The shopping totaled to 6,020. I don't know if Maguna has discounts. Yeah. Oh, I had discounts on the wheat flour, the Ariel, the Zesta, the Indomie. So discounts was like at 330. So I don't know, I feel like compared to Naivas it's cheaper. Like this will run me a lot of money. Like it is a lot of money, but it will have run me more if it was Naivas. I don't know if you guys get. Guys, I'm on the toilet and the light is behind me. I don't know how it will go, but like guys, I just realized that my demographic is 45 to 65 year olds. Like maybe probably my mom's chat group. They're actually wondering what the fuck is this guy doing? They're there judging. Anywho, I don't know. Welcome guys. Like I enjoy being like, I enjoy that demographic. Like I'm with it. I talk so much nonsense all the time. I don't know what the fuck. Okay, let me stop joking, but it's a good thing. I have a demographic. Yeah, it's a good thing. So, okay. I'm just shook. Like, I don't know. But, like, I'm usually super respectful to my elders. Like, you know, like, if like, yeah. Like, I'm the friend you can introduce to your moms, because, like, easily we'll click. Like, I'll strike conversation and stuff. Like, not weird, no. Yeah, but like that, I was looking at my stats and that just took me by fucking surprise. Okay, and people from I've seen like people from the United States are my most. I have Kenyans. There was another country between USA and Kenya. I'll have to check that. Editing Audrey, remember to put that screenshot there. Yeah. Anywho, so it's Saturday. I'm just chilling. My days are super boring. I'm on leave. My days are super fucking boring. I don't know, you guys. It's just but I love it. You know how like when you're working, you're on assignments, you're constantly on the go. Like you have to meet deadlines. You have to, you're constantly on your toes. I don't want that. Like I just want to be lazy. And like when people tell me to like do work during my leave, I'm like, please, no. No. That pressure is a lot. I appreciate it, and like I thank God every day. My God puts me on, like when I think that this is my level, like this is it, my God makes my life like so fucking brand new every single day. Like I experienced things that I thought that I would never experience. And like he's my protector. Like it can be a testimonial. It's kind of it is, but like I don't know. I don't take my relationship with God for granted. Like even if I do crazy shit, like which people don't consider religious, like at the core is my God. Like always, constantly. Like I'm grateful for Him. I'm grateful for His amazing. And He shows me every day that I don't know where the limit is. When I say the sky is the limit, my God shows me it's the moon. It's the moon or the sun first. But like you understand. Like He puts me on pedestals that I didn't think. He puts me in rooms that I didn't think I'd be in. He's just gracious. He's just so great. Like I just want today to just express that because like every fucking day He keeps like just me healthy, just providing. Every time I think that I'm going to be flat out broke, my God provides finances. It's like I got you. I feed the birds. Oh my God, it's so funny. I want to put guys, but like Jesus, like He shows me I protect you. Like He shows me every day that He got me. Like and I say every day like He's been with me since birth. Like you guys, you know how loyal that fucking is. Like since birth. Oh my God, I'm going to cut out so much of this clip because like I'm just yapping, but I'm just telling you guys how deeply appreciative of that relationship is. Because every time I feel anxious, every time I feel scared, every time I feel like I'm out of my depth, like He comes through. Guys, I'm on the toilet. I'm on the toilet. But like I got the incense going, guys. Did I put you on? Like when I'm on the toilet or when my guests are on the toilet, I recommend like having incense going, and of course the spice, like having the spice going. You understand? You have to create the vibe. You have to create that vibe. But I know this is a very intimate setup. Oh my God, you guys, it's not so beautiful in here. Like it's so nice here. Okay, my nail broke. And I want to get this nails redone because oh my God, I cheated on my nail tech and I'm regretting it constantly because like you know how when you develop a relationship with your nail tech, like you keep like how can I describe it? Like she knows you, she knows what you like, she knows like she keeps improving the nails the more you go to her. So when you reset and go to a new person, they just do some work job or you get like very frustrated. Same with hair. I've ever done like a new stylist. I cried. Guys, if there's anything that can make me cry, it's my hair. Because like if you're pulling and tugging when you're blow drying, like and then you have an attitude when I tell you like I'm feeling some type of way, my God, I shed fucking tears. Because like my hair, I hate when people like hate on fussy hair because that's the hair that I have. I hate when people hate on fussy hair. Like why are you hating on fussy hair? Like it doesn't make fucking sense. Like and people recommend or relax or I'm like no, I'm not relaxing my hair. I'm not putting like fucking chemicals on my hair. Like that won't fucking happen. I'm sorry I'm cussing so much, but like it just gets me going because the fact doing that I should relax my hair. I have this salonist. Oh my God, my relationship with this salonist. I'm like, and I was very skeptical because I moved from some other place and then I came to this place. So I was using the salonist at that other place, and then I was really like, okay, my God, will this place deliver? Because like that's how much I look at my like that's how much I take my relationship with the salonist seriously because Jesus, I've experienced it with hair. I've experienced it with hair. And I keep a long, my hair is long or whatever. But like, I just make sure that people are not hating on my hair while I'm paying them. You understand? Like, especially with nails. So I have this my nails are not slim, like, and it's how our family is, like, our toes and nails, they're not slim, like, that's how we are. Like, you know, people who love on thin nails. You understand? Like, you guys like slender nails. Like, you may find that people, you are getting an install for nails, but at the sides, it's not like the nails are not, they're not fitting that fingernail. But like, people love it like that, and I found that you get hair stuck there and fiber stuck there, and it chomokas, like it comes off easily, you know. So I'm like, I'm sorry, like I'm saying a lot of like, but I would prefer like you feel my fucking nails, like every part of my nail is covered, because why will I have you file the edges in order for them to look natural when you can just install them? So like some nail techs are like, you know, your nails are fat. Jesus, what a nail so like I'm there so stunned. I'm like, okay, what did you intend? What, like when you say things out of your mouth, I don't understand when you say things out of your mouth that will ruin someone's self-esteem. Like, I don't understand that. Like, I don't get that. Like, why would you do that? Like, I don't get that. So I like my nail techs, like friendly, you know, decent humanity, because what the fuck, like why are you calling me out over something that I have no control over, and something that I love my nails, I love my nails. And yeah, just wanted to hop on here. You know that phrase, I found that people did not get that phrase. I want to hop on yours. Okay, stop it. Yeah, but guys, yeah, so today I'm going to laze around. So what's today's agenda? I'm going to laze around this Saturday, and then, but I'm going to take a walk. Okay, Jesus, let me give you this story of what the fuck happened to me. So I have this, you know, I'm a gym girl or whatever. So I guess that gym fit. So I only have two trousers. And they're the ones that your ass, you know what I'm talking about. So when your ass, like it has that rubber, you know, that, what is it called? The stretchy thing that is in between that ass crack, like it's in there. So I have that type of trouser, and so it makes my ass look fuller, you know, you understand. So I was going on that 10k walk. So as I was on the walk, I got a lot of male attention. Yeah, it was a lot of male attention, because like it was like by people, like not do the guys guys. But there's nothing wrong with doing it, I'm just saying, like it was like a cyclist. It was a cyclist, like, you know, and then there was this other guy. So this other guy that I'm talking about, so like, you know, I have my earphones on when I walk. So this other guy comes and like gets my attention. So I pull out my earphones. I'm like, oh hi, and then like we go talking about work. You know, when you strike a conversation with me about money, I'm hooked. How I make more money, I'm hooked. So, but one red flag was he led with, I have a car. Like, oh, I'm parking my car over there. Gee, it got crashed or whatever. I'm like, you know, people who lead with material things, that doesn't impress me. Like, I'm this girl, I'd rather take care of a nigga than a nigga takes care of me. I don't know. I know, guys, I'm bringing the feminist. I know, I'm a disappointment to the girlhood, but like, I'm just this hyper independent, and maybe it stems from trauma from childhood, because like that's how I've seen my mom do it. Like, my mom has always been, she's the one who is taking care of everything, she's on top of everything. So that's how I feel that I should be, in which it's some instances, not in some instances, in all instances, because I go for the wrong types, like in all instances it goes wrong, but like, I don't know, I have to unlearn that. So when you come at me like I have money, you know, you can't impress me with money that's not mine. Let me fucking tell you, you can't impress me unless you want me, you are giving me an opportunity to make money, or you are giving me money, fine. But if you're coming like, okay, I have this, how will that help me? How will that make me a bag? And out of everything that we are going to speak about, why is that the leading factor? Like, that means you have no character, you have no depth. That's just, you know, I find that when you buy a car and when you have things, they lose vision and you want people to see. I'm sorry, my lips are cracked. So, but you want people to see that, I don't know, like, if you get external validation, then it validates your belongings. I don't know if you guys catch my drift, but yeah. So, going back to the story, car, nini. Oh, you know, that damn girl in distress shit is like, no. You're going through this path, you get robbed and whatever. And that's why that I didn't go for a walk yesterday, because I was like, okay, what is this guy planning? You know, it's better safe than sorry. It's better I lose my streak than me just doing shit just to do it, and then I end up getting, you know, getting some fucked up shit happening to me, and I have not, like, you know. So that's like, it really scared the hell out of me, because I don't know. I usually wear those pants when I walk, but I'm usually with friends, and when I look homeless, I don't get as much attention. So I like walking when I'm looking homeless. You understand? Because I just want to walk and listen to podcasts and laugh without people giving me much attention. Like, I just want to blend in the background. Like, you know, there's time for and there's time for I just want to chill, man. Like, I'm very introverted, extroverted. So going back to the story, I divert so I'm recording, okay. So yeah, so he strikes a conversation as a car. He ends up working at a place that, you know, that has a lot of opportunities, and so we exchange numbers for the sole fact, for me at least, for the sole fact that if I need that resource from the place you work at, I can use you, because like some deliverables that I work on, they need a lot of ICT. So he was working in some ICT field. So I was like, okay, you know, you're thinking from the point of, okay, how can I make more money from this? You know, because Jesus, I don't need anything from you. So that was like the previous day. So the next day, I'm chilling with my mama Fua, with the person who washes my clothes. So because like I can't leave the house, he shoots me a text, and he even calls. He's like, okay, what are you doing? I'm like, okay, I'm chilling with mama Fua, but I'm going. Okay, he's like, let's go for a walk. So me, I'm thinking it's this chill thing. This man continues to blabber and open his mouth. He's like, you know, I hope you don't mind being harassed, like kusumbua. I know even the translation is worse, but yo. So I'm like, okay. I'm like, no, I don't feel I'm comfortable with that. What do you mean kusumbua? What do you mean being harassed? So he's like, you know, I like to. So I told him straight, okay, you know, I feel like you're giving this touchy type of guy, and I don't think I'm with that. And he's like, okay, you know, it's just healthy touch. You know, I'm a last born. First of all, what does a last born and being touched have to do with anything? And secondly, how do you feel comfortable? How do you rate me? First of all, you've just met me. How do you rate me as those girls who allow strangers to touch them? Let's just hold up there and just internalize where this man has put me in the first place. So he's like, okay, you know, and I'm like, okay. So before that conversation, we just said hello, let's go for a walk, chill. So he just, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm chilling with my laundry girl. I don't know, mama, for the translation, but I'll translate like that. My laundry girl, and he's like, okay, let me pay for your laundry. So I'm like, bet. He's like, this is your person number? Yeah, sure. Because Jesus, you're just volunteering to give me money, and give me money. Let the man came. You know, and the previous night I had spent on a night out, and I was like, no, I need the refund. And even this lady wants her money. This money could fill in so many holes. So he shoots me 2K, and then okay. Then he proceeded with the conversation of touching. You understand the chronological order of these events? He proceeds with that. Jesus, just even saying touching, it makes me feel dirty. It makes me feel like some sort of way. I know that I present with clothes that show a lot of skin, but that that doesn't mean that I'm easy. It doesn't correspond to that. Doesn't. So so after he did that, I said no, I'm not comfortable. But the text didn't go because the lights went out, so the text didn't go through. But like my girl Val told me like, okay, I'm going to Kangemi. I'm like, okay, let me hop on to that plan. So we went to get groceries because my girl likes to cook. Jesus. So like it's a lot. Even I'm feeling like insecure about how much I should be cooking. Oh Jesus. And I like that she likes to cook, but yo, that like that's on another level. Like her kitchen is so stocked up. Guys, I don't have plates. I don't have cups. I'm eating on plastics. Like my mom comes here and she's embarrassed. Like, and I have money that can buy those things, but like they're not a priority. I don't know. Jesus, my kitchen is dry. When you come in as a guest, I'll cook you Indomie. I'll cook you. That's a lot. You will hop in the kitchen and cook it. You'll hop in the kitchen and do eggs. Like, I don't know. Like, I'm not that. But you know, she loves it like it's her passion. So I'm like, okay, let me go with you. And I'm just there like, la, I'm just a girl. Going for the ride. I'm like, okay, what do you want? She's like buying like habaneros. Jesus, like it was like really grocery shopping. I don't know. But I don't know why I'm exaggerating that. So I hopped onto that and then I ended up doing shopping that maybe I'll show you before or after this. Yeah. So I ended up doing that shopping. So I left this guy on red because we were supposed to go on a walk and he was like, let me back it up. So when I'm telling him I'm not comfortable and shit with the touchy-feely stuff, he's like, it's only a healthy touch and I will know boundaries. What the fuck did that mean? And which century is this that you are doing touchy-feely in bushes, like in maize plantations? Like, like which century are we in? Jesus Christ! That's why when you live in the countryside type of vibe, you get countryside type of niggas. Because like, what do you mean? You? What the fuck? Sorry. What do you mean? Like I didn't understand that. I didn't get that. So help it. You know, I even told Bala about this because like I was bamboozled. I was pained. Because what are we talking about? Like I felt dumber the moment I was in that conversation. Okay, but someone had this perspective that I shouldn't have taken his money because I knew his intention in the first place. But like that just means that because I took his money, he's entitled to my body. Let's think about that. But like I enjoyed that cartoon play. It filled in some holes. Like I felt I was cruising for a minute. So I feel like that's what stood out with my Friday. Yeah, so today, I don't know, I don't like whipping up my phone and vlogging and stuff on work because like I take some routes that are really, like, you guys, you see how it's scary just to mind your own business, like as a girl. Like, I was minding my own business. Like, literally that's just what I was doing. Like, I was trying to get my walks in and that just made me break my streak on Friday because Jesus, what if he would have been there while I was taking that walk? No, after I've assumed him, like, and then I'm going through the, no, please, I have to take another route. I have to do my 10Ks on another route. Like, it's just a lot, Anyway, bye. Guys, check out them nails. You see, this is why I tell you, don't cheat on what's this. Don't cheat on your nail tech. You see what my nail tech does? Do you guys see? I'm still at awe about my nails. Jesus, like, you guys should get a close up. It's it, and then it's razor sharp. Like, these are weapons. Mimi nimekuja kupima afresh, sijapima, ameniita tu. Si tu yenye nilikuwa nayo. Sky nut sana. Tumetembea tuangalie kitu kingine yenye naweza kula. Hapa kwa hii petrol station. Ukifika nini? Missing kiaje? Thank you. Dalo. Si tunatafuta airline yetu. Timbola. Nini how many mm hivi? Unajua grasses?
Grasses.
Like length yeah, sitting room unajua.
Sitting room. Why?
Nimeona somebody who has done it ya sitting room in a couple.
Oh my god, hates it.
What?
Alikuwa sasa unataka kwanza nini?
Nyama hizi. Nyama ya mbuzi.
Sida be kurban suni. Oja wan apka karga और kan से ले रहा sasa na barbada ni kati bina na ndole diji anenda mimi story na huyo nani yes money mana kana want to collect.
Guys, I forgot to film when the room was cleaner, but you know guys, I cannot sleep in the room's shade, so I designed the bed so that I can put my sheets in between. But this is my room. I've rearranged my suitcase. It's now better. I've put my clothes here. I'm about to take a shower and wear my nightgowns. Yeah, so I was listening to some R&B. Let me show you the bathroom. This is the bathroom. It's just a normal share a door with someone. Very dangerous here. Okay. Bye.
Barabara inakuja ni dual carriage. So I don't know how they want to use this.
pia uko na video zangu mingi, utanitumia pia hiyo.
Barabara sasa na pale mbele. Kubwa sana.
I think stima kupotea did me well.
So guys, my cast iron is here. It has just been delivered. So this set, go check the prices, people. That's how you know it's not expensive. So this is the packaging. Let me unbox it for you. So we have these. We have these. We have these. Then we have these. With their lids. Then we have these. So you guys can see this one. And then we have these. Last but not least, have this silicone tooth. These silicone tooth, but I don't know why they gave me orange fucking hair. And then we have this lid for the small.
Just wanna play with my honey. I seen you with the girl at the party. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody? Want to waste my time, but I
Of course I love you, Johnny.
You think I'm just gonna stand nobody? Want to waste my time, but I am way too fine.
I've got like new curtains installed. I've done wall to wall, and over here in the kitchen. Over here in the kitchen, I have this, and then I complained from my neighbor, and they were like, the drill was making noise, and then my landlord was like, did you inform us? Did you inform us that you are going to change curtains? I don't know, babe. Calling you guys, babe. I may get booted, but look how cute it is. What is Amy eating? And then I'm blasting Love Island. Yeah. Oh. So I ended up, I ended up, if I wash the pants, I put them here before maybe I wash vyombo before so this is how I place them. They're supposed to be stacked one against the other, and then the rest I put them here. So these are supposed to be here and here. That's how I do them. Oh my god, I hate these nails and I love them at the same time. You understand? It was supposed to be black and red, but they didn't have black. So, and the red was not popping. It's fucked up but nice at the same time. Hi, Kopa. Anafaa kulipa? Sawa, thank you.
You think I'm just gonna
it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no more for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I were more than you could manage.
Three, two, one, jump.
Hey.
You ready? 3, 2, 1, 20. Ready? Cross your legs. 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
Where's the frozen? Where's the sausage? Okay.
Taangusha.
Usiweke inaonyesha kuleta kwa shida.
Maziwa frozen na maji.
Nitaji.